Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, or trolls. This is Burgh Unboxing. I would apologize, no Kathy. She got over here so late. I forgot the iPad, and by the time we got done getting my iPad back, here I left it in the house with the charger and the T-Mobile device. She had to go home. She got here at 2 o'clock. I told her next time you come over early. So, no live Kathy today, but I'll make it up to you. Anyway, I got something from Justin, and I forgot to give Kathy this because I don't eat dark chocolate. I don't like it. So this is the dark chocolate Seder plate. It's a Seder plate made out of chocolate, which is nice. Thank you, Justin, for all this. He sent me Manischewitz egg matzo crackers. I guess matzos are hard to come by. They're in Safeway, but maybe it was just cost too much to send it. Egg tam garlic crackers. Well, I can't do garlic that often, but I'll do something with those. Thank you. And there's thinking I love the white chocolate covered egg matzos. Great stuff. And gluten-free macaroons. And a can of Stripes coconut macaroons. Well, thank you very much, Justin. I really appreciate it. I woke up this morning at 6:30 and had a major asthma attack as I fell asleep with the screen door open, not unlocked, but open. And I was gasping for air all day. And so I'm not going to open the chocolate one for Kathy, but for the matzos, but I'll open this one. I'm debating whether I should go out again and go to Safeway and get the Allegra. I really need it. I'm allergic to grass, and I keep getting sick when the pollen is high. And this is one reason why I can't work, because I start getting respiratory distress, and I can't breathe, and it gets even worse than that. All right. Now these things get melted because they've been mailed. So they don't look like this normally. But they're normally covered in chocolate. But they're good if you're Jewish. Or if you're not Jewish. So, anyway, that's what they look like. I assembled the can thing, rack, whatever you would call it. I'm going to clear off the rest of the counter, clean the blender off, put that back, clean the cookie jar off, or not the cookie jar, the carafe, put the carafe in the blender where the cans used to be. And then I'll clear off the counter, and I'll show you the can rack. That's one little spot that'll be a little less messy in here. All right, and I had another problem with eating sugar pops earlier, and one went down my throat the wrong way, and I started to choke to death. So I've not had a fun day. My body rejected the sugar pops in a rather distressing manner. I used a whole box of Kleenex today. That's how much I was blowing my nose, and because the grass allergies start causing me to my sinus infection and causing me to start dripping like crazy. And I dropped one on the floor. I hope that wasn't one she wanted. Oh well, I'll have to pick it up and give it to her later. All right, she got 2 masks. There's got a Pokemon one and a purple one. You'll have seen that in the other video I just did. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. It's 5:04 in the evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It's awfully hot here in Martinez. And stay warm and dry, or wet and dry, or cool and dry, whatever. Stay safe, people. I'll catch you next time. I'm done for the night. Bye-bye for now. I'll post these tomorrow. I have to go to T-Mobile and pay my bill. I'm really mad that they cut my internet off. I have to sit there for another night, go crazy. They don't open at 11 o'clock tomorrow. I'll be there at 11 o'clock. Bye-bye.